Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta and commercial carpet cleaning in Atlanta. It's about 6:45. Well, actually, it's 10 after 7. We start about 6:45 on this area here. It's obviously all commercial carpet here. This section is probably got 2 of these sections to do tonight. The other section is twice as big as this, if not 3 times as big as this. This is a customer of ours in Atlanta that have been our customers for 10 years, at least. And we're here about every month or two, depending on their events and whatnot. And of course, one of the reasons they love our business is because the carpet is typically dry in 30, 45 minutes or an hour, and they can use the facilities very quickly once we've done it versus waiting several hours with the traditional carpet cleaners. So this is, like I said, this is one side. The second part of the video will be the other side. So now that I'm in here, this is the other area. I haven't done it yet, but even after I do it, this is commercial. There's a couple spots right there that just come right out. Can't even shoot on my camera. They don't show up. A little bit. So yeah, this is probably twice. 1.5 times the size of the other one. And I usually use about 4 gallons of cleaner for both of these areas. And it usually takes about an hour. Here's a good spot right here. So it takes about an hour. Like I said, I got here about 6:45. There's a couple more spots. And 4 gallons of cleaner. It's a $778 job. Again, commercial pays a lot better than residential. So if you are interested in doing what we do, the way we do it, which is no truck mount, low moisture carpet cleaning, non-soapy cleaners, give us a call, 770-652-0630, on the web at citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. We can help you out and teach you to do what we do. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care and be kind. Okay, it's 7:43. So the first section took about, I'd say 20 minutes. This section took about 30 to 40. And like I said, you can't really notice the difference in this commercial carpet. There were several spots that came out, but I don't remember where they were. Cleaner, we do sell our non-soapy citrus cleaner. Our citrus cleaning solution comes in 4-gallon cases. Each gallon makes 10 gallons of ready-to-use cleaner. We sell it for $125, which includes shipping. So it's roughly $25 a gallon, which if you one gallon makes 10 gallons. That's 25 divided by 2, so roughly it's $12 a gallon. So we'll say I used $50, $40, $50 worth of cleaner. But for a $770 job, that's a pretty good return. So again, if you're looking for the carpet cleaning business, you do not want the hassle, maintenance, and upfront cost of a truck mount. We've been in business since 2014, so 20 years. We can teach you how to do it. Like I said, this is a $778 job. Commercial is definitely the way to go, but the 2 downfalls, I will say, if you call them downfalls, is they don't pay, usually they pay within 30 days or so, and they have to be done after hours. This is usually done, after 6 p.m. Or before 8 a.m. in the morning. So we usually do it at night. So anyway, JR, Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta, 770-652-0630 on the web at citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care and be kind.